clouds of morning grace. Before the sky you will find me standing. Let me live in this holy place. All before me peaceful, all behind me peaceful, under me peaceful, over me peaceful, all around me peaceful, all around me peaceful. In the house of freedom there I'll wander. In the house of life shall I pass my days. In old age traveling there I'll wander. Walk with me in this holy place. All before me peaceful, all behind me peaceful, under me peaceful, over me peaceful, all around me peaceful, all around me peaceful. Homeward now down this road I wander, where my soul's long lines are deeply traced. Homeward now shall I make my journey. Lo, yonder this holy place. All before me peaceful, all behind me peaceful, under me peaceful, over me peaceful, all around me peaceful, all around me peace, all before me peaceful, all behind me peaceful, under me peaceful, over me peaceful, all around me peaceful, all around me peaceful.
When I was a boy, each week on Sunday we would go to church and pay attention to the priest. He would read the holy word and consecrate the holy bread, and everyone would kneel and bow. Today the only difference is everything is holy now. Everything is holy now. And when I was in Sunday school, we would learn about the time Moses split the sea in two, and Jesus made the water wine. And I remember feeling sad, miracles don't happen still. But now I can't keep track, 'cause everything's a miracle. Everything's a miracle. challenging thing becomes not to look for miracles, but finding where there isn't one. When holy water was rare at best, it barely wet my fingertips, but now I have to hold my breath like I'm swimming in a sea of it. Used to be a world half there, heaven's second-rate hand-me-down, but I walk it with a reverent air, 'cause everything is holy now. Child's face, say it's not a testament, that'd be very hard to say. See another new morning come, say it's not a sacrament, I tell you that it can't be done. This morning outside I stood, I saw a little red-winged bird shining like a burning bush and singing like a scripture verse. It made me want to bow my head. I remember when church let out, how things have changed since then. Everything is holy now. It used to be a world half there, heaven's second-rate hand-me-down, but I walk it with a reverent air, 'cause everything is holy.